Alright guys, today I just happened to get in a sign that I recently bought. Surprised it got here so fast, to be honest with you. I only purchased it a couple days ago. And I thought it was cool. I bought it online from a guy. Let's see here. So there she is. Pretty interesting sign. You know, I've been looking for stuff for down in Long Beach Island, down near the shore. Not that I don't have enough stuff here, but I was looking for stuff that was a little bit more oceanic, beachy, I don't know what you want to call it. And I saw this thing, and the guy told me that there was actually 5 of these, and what they are is, like, you can see it's a sailor, and it was at a shipyard in Chicago, is what I'm told. And there was 5 of them at the entrance, and they were air activated, so it's kind of like an, I don't know, animated, not animated, what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of actuated. It's got movement to it. And you can see it's like, yeah, look at that. There's like belts and gears and all kinds of stuff. I don't know. Anyways, so this is it. Steel, or maybe aluminum. And you can see how they made it. And apparently, the back of it's air actuated. Again, because it's a sailor, I thought it'd be good down in Long Beach Island, New Jersey at the new location for this summer. But you can see how they made it. I'm guessing some engineers down at the Navy shipyard in Chicago built this thing. I thought it was cool. And you can see it's air actuated. So this is what it does. And it's saluted, so there's a belt here I got to pop back on. And I guess when you put air to it, which I'm going to figure out, it does one of them. And I think this is supposed to salute. So I just thought it was a cool piece when I bought it. It's something that would be pretty neat from down there. Like I said, I was told there was 5 of these. The guy had all 5 and sold them all and had this one left from years ago. And I guess they were lined up and on air, and if you come in, they'd all salute at the same time, stand up and salute. So I just thought it was a pretty neat piece. Wanted to share that with you. And I'm just going to mess with it a little bit, see if I can get it to work.